Good morning, sir. My name is Savina Yasmin, and our presentation group member is Tanjuma Machahari, Pooja Adhikari, and Najwara Begum. And our presentation topic is IoT in agriculture. Our content is what is IoT, what is IoT in agriculture, application of IoT in agriculture, and advantages of IoT in agriculture. So, first we discuss about what is IoT. IoT is a system of interrelated computing devices, mechanical and digital machines, objects, animals, or people that are provided with unique identifiers and the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human to human and human to computer interaction. IoT is the network of physical object or things embedded with electronic sensor, software, and network connectivity, which enables this object to collect or exchange data. And come to the next slide. Our next topic is IoT in agriculture. IoT in agriculture to meet the increasing needs agriculture has to turn to new technology, which is IoT. IoT will enable the agriculture industry to reduce waste and enhance productivity from optimizing facilitator used to increasing the efficiency of farm vehicle routes and in IoT based smart framing a system is built for monitoring the crop field with the help of sensor and automating the irrigation system. The farms can monitor the field condition from anywhere. The uh, the IoT uh, the IoT smart framing is efficient when compared with conventional approach. IoT in a agriculture content refers to the use of sensor, camera, and other devices to turn every element and action involved in framing into data. The aim of most agriculture IoT product is to enable farmers to use these insights to make operational decision around planting, irrigating, and more. Tanjuma Machahari will continue from the next slide.
Good morning, sir. I'm Tanjuma Machahari from CAC 8SEM. I'm here to discuss about applications of IoT in agriculture. So they are precision farming, agricultural drone, livestock monitoring, and smart greenhouses. Precision farming. Precision farming is a process or a practice that makes the farming procedure more accurate and controlled for raising livestock and growing of crops. The use of IT and items like sensor, autonomous vehicles, automated hardware, control system, robotics, etc. in this approach are key components. Precision agriculture in the recent years has become one of the most famous applications of IoT in agriculture sector, and a vast number of organizations have started using this technique around the world. The product and service offered by IoT systems include soil moisture probes, VRI optimization, virtual optimizer pro, and so on. Agricultural drone. Agricultural drones are a very good example of IoT application in agriculture. Agriculture industries today have become one of the major industries where drone can incorporate. Two types of drones, that is ground-based and aerial-based drones, are being incorporated in agriculture in many ways, such as for crop health assessment, irrigation, planting, and soil and field analysis. The benefit that uses of drone bring to the table includes ease of use, time saving, crop health imaging, integrated GIS mapping, and the ability to increase yields. The drone technology will give a high-tech makeover to the agriculture industry by making use of strategy and planning based on real-time data collections and processing. Livestock monitoring. IoT applications help farmers to collect data regarding the locations, well-being, and health of their cattle. These information help them in identifying the conditions of their livestock, such as finding animals that are sick so that they can separate from the herd, preventing the spread of diseases to the entire cattle. The feasibility of the rancher to locate their cattle with the help of IoT-based sensor helps in bringing down the labor cost by substantial amount. Smart greenhouses. Greenhouse farming is a technique that enhances the yield of crop, vegetables, and fruits, etc. Greenhouses control environmental parameters in two ways, either through manual interventions or a proportional control mechanisms. However, since manual intervention has a disadvantage such as production loss, energy loss, labor costs, these methods are less effective. A smart greenhouses through IoT embedded systems not only control intelligence but also controls the climate, thereby eliminating any needs for human interventions. So this is all about applications of IoT in agriculture. The next slide will be continued by Pooja Adhikari. Thank you.
Good morning. We are talking about IoT in agriculture. So basically, it is the application of modern information and communication technologies in agriculture. In a IoT-based smart farming, there is a system built for monitoring the crop fields and crop fields using the different kinds of sensors such as temperature, humidity, light, etc. So and making the irrigation system automated. Now the farmers using IoT systems can monitor and analyze the farms from anywhere. So now let's talk about some of the advantages of IoT in agriculture. So mainly the advantages of IoT in agriculture are data collection, reduction of risks, and business goes automated and higher quality. Now data collection, all the data can be collected with the help of the installed sensors. Such data like the weather conditions, the health conditions of the cattle, the crops, etc. This data are stored in a space which can be used by the farmers to check and analyze the farms and make the right decision. Now the livestock farming, what happens in livestock farming, livestock monitoring. What happens in livestock monitoring is the livestock can be monitored using the different kinds of equipments or sensors about the sensors can can monitor the cattle, the hens, goats, etc. And they can monitor they can check the health conditions. They can check their health conditions, their temperature, their activities, etc., which keeps the farmers informed. And thus the farmers labor work is reduced, helping to monitor the livestock. Now next is the reduction of risk. When the farmers up to date information collected, they can understand what situation will be in future, and they can obviously predict some kind of problems that can arise. Moreover, farmers may use this data to improve their sales and their business processes, like monitoring the climatic condition. By monitoring the climatic condition, the farmers can know which kind of climatic condition is appropriate for which kind of crop. So a huge amount of loss is prevented by the by using the IoT equipments. So there are also other kind of crop monitoring sensors like semios, which keeps a which keeps track of the um, climatic conditions, the any kind of insects or disease has occurred to the crops, etc. Next is business goes automated. Now many business processes become automated, and their efficiency increases. Thus farmers may pay attention to other business processes like the farm management system, using drones. Like the farm management system, what it does is it can using the farm management system, a farmer can keep track of the accounting system, the sales, etc., which helps the business to get in an efficient way. Now next is drones. Using the drones, the farmers can sprinkle the pesticides over the crops without any manual work or any kind of labors. Now next is higher quality. Now smart agriculture makes it possible to avoid challenges and remove all kind of issues that may arise during the farming process. So the quality of the product is growing. So the quality of the product is growing, and consumers get a good product of higher quality. Now like the greenhouse automation. In greenhouse automation, what happens is there are sensors which predict the conditions inside the greenhouse, and makes it appropriate for the and makes the environment or the condition appropriate for each greenhouse. So mainly the advantages using the IoT in agriculture are weather changes, soil quality, plant health, insects management, disease management, etc. Thank you.
My name is Narjara Begum. I am going to explain disadvantages of IoT in agriculture. Already my teammate will explain what is IoT in agriculture, and different application of IoT and advantages. So I am going to tell about disadvantages. The IoT in agriculture has many disadvantages. First is the money. IoT devices needs much money to implement. It needs also lot of space to implement any IoT devices. Ultimately, cost is very much in using IoT in agriculture. So next point is the continuous availability of internet. The smart devices need availability of internet continuously, but in the rural part of the India, rural part of any countries, it is not possible that internet is available all the time, because of which implementation of IoT in rural areas is not possible. Next is the first sensor and data processing engine. False sensor and data processing engine can cause faulty decision, which lead to overuse of water, fertilizer, and other resources, due to which the crop produce is not good, and also quality of the crops is less. Last point, which is the most challenging point, is the learning and understanding the new technology. For smart farming, the base equipment for smart farming based equipment, it requires farmer to understand the new technology and also learn how to use this technology. So this is all about the disadvantages. Next point is the conclusion. IoT in agriculture. IoT in agriculture applications gives the meaningful data to farmer and rancher. Using this data, they can produce crops, good quality crops, which is very good for development countries, and also it helped to bridge the gap between production and quality, and also quality yield. With the information collected from the sensor and engine, ensure swift action and less damage to the crop. Because of using IoT in agriculture, it is possible that high quality crops is produced and it reaches the market as fast as possible. So this is all about IoT in agriculture. Thank you.